Hi, today we'll solve some of the problems of application of trigonometries. So we'll see the first exercise 12.1 for Telangana state syllabus. So the first problem is given as a tower stands vertically on the ground. So I am taking this as a tower. For this one A and this is B. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Okay. From a point which is 15 meter away from the tower. So I'm taking this point which is 15 meters away as C. So this is the point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. B is called as the foot of the tower, that is 15 meters. Now it is said that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45. So the angle of elevation from this point C is 45 degree. Okay, last class I explained to you what is angle of elevation, what is angle of depression. So he is asking us to find out the height of the tower. So I have to find out this. So you have to write everything. AB is a tower of height h and CB is the distance between the object and the foot of the tower B, which is 15 meter, and the angle of elevation from the point to the top of the tower is 45 degree. Since I have to find out the height of the tower, so for this angle this becomes opposite side and this is the base. Okay, so now we have the ratio for opposite by adjacent or base is tan theta. So I can say in triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equals to AB by BC. Tan 45 degree is 1 is equals to AB is h by BC is 15. So cross multiply with 1 will get 15 meter is equals to h, that is AB, height of tower, is equals to 15 meter. So now we will try to solve some more problem. Now for the second problem, we have, it is given that a tree breaks down due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30-degree angle with the ground. So I'll say it this way. For example, if this is a tree, from this part it is broken, so it bent down, it came like this. Okay, and it is making an angle theta. Sorry, the angle is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Okay, with the ground. Now the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 centimeter. Foot of the tree and the top of. So this distance is 6 meter. Find the height of the tree before falling down the ground. So I have to find out this first. I am taking this as h, this as well. So A, B, and this is C. Take this as D. Okay. Now I have to see what I have to find. For height. So this is opposite according to this angle. Opposite by adjacent will give you tan. So it is tan. You have to write everything. What is BC and what is AB? AC is the broken part which touches the ground, making an angle theta with the foot of the tree, and the distance between the cut part, top part, and the foot of the tree is 6 meter. I am supposing BC, that is the cut part. Okay, so now here BC by AB will give me tan 30 degree. So this will be BC by AB, that is opposite by adjacent. Okay, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to BC I have took as H and AB is 6. So when you cross multiply, it gives me 6 by root 3 is equals to H. Okay, so 6 by root 3. So keep this as it is, take this as 1. So I got this as 6 by root 3. Now if I want to find out this AC, so for AC, this opposite by hypotenuse. So I'll take this as sine 30 degree is equals to opposite, that is BC, by hypotenuse, that is AC. Since this is 90 degrees, so this becomes hypotenuse. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 is equals to BC I have is 6 by root 3 whole divided by AC. Okay, so AC cross multiply, AC into 1 is AC and this will be here. AC is equals to 2 into 6 by root 3. Okay, so AC will be equals to 2. I will, what should I say, rationalize the denominator. So it will be 2 into 6 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So what I will get is 2 into 6 into root 3 by 3. 3 1 times, 3 2 times, because root 3 into root 3 will give me root 9 and square root of 9 is 3. So okay, I am getting this as AC is equals to 2 to the 4 root 3. Now since H I got as, that is BC I got as 6 by root 3, I will again rationalize the denominator. So it will be 6 into root 3 by 3, root 3 into root 3, root 9, square root of 9 is 3, 3 1 times, 3 2 times. So I am getting this as 2 root 3. Now AB will be equals to AC plus BC. Okay, that is AC I got as 4 root 3 less 2 root 3. If I take root 3 common, it will be 6 root 3. And if you take the value of root 3 as 6 into 1.732, which is equals to 6 2s are 12, 18 19, 42 43, 10. So it will be 10.392 meter. That is the height of the tree. Now the next problem is, a contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up at the height of 2 meter and by making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So for example, see, this is the height of the slide. I am taking this as, and from here it is in this way. It is making an angle 30 degree with the ground. Okay, and the height is given as 2 meter. He is asking us to find out what should be the length of the slide. For F have to find out this one. So A, B, C. So you have to write all this, that BC is the height of the slide, AC is the slide, length of the slide, and A and B is the distance between the foot of the slide and the foot height. That's the height of the slide, foot of the height of the slide. So now here, see, for this angle it becomes 90 degree here. For this angle, this is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, the trigonometrical ratio is T ratio is sine. So I'll take sine 30 degree is equals to BC by AC. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by AC. You can take AC or X. So cross multiply. AC will be equals to AC into 1 is AC is equals to 2 into 2. AC will be equals to 4 meter. So this is the length of the slide. Now in the next problem they are asking length of the shadow of a 15-meter high pole is 15 into root 3 meters at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at that time? So for this problem, see, we'll have the same figure. Okay, so length of the shadow of a 15-meter high pole. So this is the BC is the pole and it is 15-meter high, and sorry 15 root 3 15 root 3 meter, and the time is at 7 o'clock. No, it is 15 meter only, not 15 root 3. Height is the length of the shadow of a 15 meter. So 15 meter is the height. And the length of the shadow is 15 root 3. So this is 15 root 3. Okay. What is the angle of elevation of the sun's rays? So we have to find out, for example, if this is from here, the sun is falling, so this is the shadow. So definitely it will be in this direction. So 15 root 3 is the length of the shadow, 15 root 3 meter and 15 meter. Okay. So now with this you can say for this angle, for suppose you are taking this angle as theta, for this angle theta, this side will be the opposite side and this side BC, AB will be the adjacent. So we'll have this as tan theta. First you suppose that BC is the height of the pole and 15 root 3, that is AB, is the shadow of the pole. Okay, so theta is the angle with angle of elevation of the sun's rays with the ground at the given time. So for this, tan theta is equals to BC by AB. So tan theta is equals to 15 by 15 root 3. 15 one times 15 one time goes. Tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. Tan theta is equals to tan 30 degree. Tan gets cancelled. Theta is equals to 30 degree. So this is what the sun's rays make the angle of elevation with the ground at that time.